the sizzle of the grill. Now in your air fryer. GoWISE USA is proud to present the pinnacle of air frying, the ultimate air fryer oven and grill. Dual heating elements cut your cooking time and heat your food from all sides. The stainless steel exterior looks amazing in any kitchen, and of course, rapid air frying technology to help you cut on calories without sacrificing any of the crunch. It has 11 built-in programs to help you cook everything from French fries to fruit chips. Bake or broil, make pizza or pollock. And yes, even grill, using our all-new grill plate accessory. Imagine the perfect steak without ever setting foot outside. How about some roasted veggies as a side dish? Use additional accessories to take your cooking to the next level. Its built-in rotisserie function allows you to cook kebabs, roasts, or even a whole chicken. The Ultimate was engineered with your convenience in mind, with an interior large enough to cook for a family of 4 or more, but compact enough to sit on your countertop or tuck away into a cabinet. It comes with 2 recipe books. One helps you master the dehydrate function to make dried fruits, jerky, veggies, and herb blends. The other has recipes for, well, just about anything you can think of. The GoWISE USA Ultimate Air Fryer Oven and Grill has the versatility to make your cooking dreams come true. What will you make?